it's time to play! Hey, hey friends, it's time to play! Frances is here, hooray, hooray! Clap your hands and jump around, we're learning funny animal sounds. L-I-O-O, lion loud, roar, roar, he's so proud! Shake your mane, stomp the ground, that's the mighty lion sound. E-L-E-P-H-N-T, elephant big as big can be. Trumpet high, lift your nose, splash some water, here it goes. M-O-N-K-E-Y, silly and sweet, jumps and claps to a funny beat. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, swing so high, wave your arms up to the sky. B-I-R-D, bird so bright, feathers shining in the light. Tweet, 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 flap and fly, spread your wings up to the sky. S-N-A-K-E, snake so small, slides and wiggles tall to tall. Hiss, 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 move real slow, crawl like a snake, ready, go. T-I-G-E-R, tiger strong, creep so quiet, sneaks along. Growl, 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 give a cheer, Frances laughs, the sound is clear. Clap your hands, spin around, everywhere's full of animal sound. Roar and hiss and tweet along, keep singing, learning